what do you truly want? You want a whole list of things. Mom this, mom this, mom this, mom this, mom that, mom that. You're waiting, you're working hard, you're expecting, whatever. You worry about it, whatever. Yeah. But why are you wanting all these stuff? You never look deeply. Yeah. What do you truly want is nourishment. Is that true? Ask yourself, is that true? You want to have a good job and more money. Why you want to have more money? Because you unconsciously, you're assuming more money will bring you more nourishment. Why you want more attention in your life? You're looking for nourishment. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah. But you need to know what are you truly looking for. So if you think of nourishment is important, not only you start to pay attention to the experience of nourishment, but also generating, initiating, cultivating more opportunity, more experience of nourishment. And again, more you appreciating the experience of nourishment, then the power of nourishment can increase in life. And that is different from wanting more, simply wanting more, or even simply different from owning more. When I say, infinite energy is available for nourishment, seems like abstract in the beginning, right? but simply opening to that idea, you start to feel different. But in a tangible way, it's very simple. For example, when you walk on the land, if you begin to noticing the flowers, whether it's human plant, a white flower, noticing the greenery, noticing the grass, noticing piece of stone, whatever you're noticing more, if you pay attention deeply, you start to feel a sense of nourishment. The simple saying, what is meditation? What is spiritual practice? Simply pause, smell the flower. It's such a cliche saying, but actually contain the deep truth to it. If you can pause, even you cannot smell the flower, at least look at the flower, noticing the flower. It's a big deal. Your whole life change. Your health change. Your spirit starts saying,